The Kameniki encoding Czech, Kódování Kamenikich, named for the brothers Jiří and Marian Kameniki, was a code page for personal computers running DOS, very popular in Czechoslovakia since 1993, the Czech Republic and Slovakia around 1985 to 1995. Another name for this encoding is KEYBCS2, the name of the terminate and stay resident utility which implemented the matching keyboard driver. It was also named Kameniki. It was based on the code page 437 encoding with accented characters for Western European languages, where most of the characters from code points 128 to 173 were replaced by Czech and Slovak characters chosen so that the glyphs of the replacement characters resembled those of the original as closely as possible, e.g., C in the place of C. This ensured that text in the Kameniki encoding was barely readable even on older or cheap computers with the original fonts, which were often in videocard ROM, making modification difficult if not impossible. A supplemental feature was that the block graphic and box drawing characters of code page 437 remained unchanged. IBM's official Central European code page 852 did not have this property, making programs like Norton Commander look funny with corners and joints of border lines broken by accented letters. Some ambiguity exists in the official code page assignment for the Kameniki encoding. Some dot matrix printers of the NEC PinWriter series, namely the P3200, P3300, P20, P30, P6200, P6300, P60, P70, P9300, P90, P7200, P7300, P62, P72, P22Q, P32Q, P3800, P3900, P42Q, P52Q, P1200, P1300, P2Q, P3Q, P2000, P2X, and P8000 P72X, supported the installation of optional font EPROMs. The optional ROM number 2, East Europe, included this encoding, invocable via escape sequence ESCR n with n equals 23. While named Kameniki in the documentation, it was originally advertised by NEC as code page 867 CP 867 or Czech. However, it was never registered with IBM under that ID, as IBM registered another unrelated code page Israel, Hebrew, based on CP862, under that ID in 1998. The Fujitsu DL6400 Pro, DL6600 Pro printers support the Kameniki encoding as well. The encoding was also sometimes called code page 895 CP895, for example with FoxPro, in the WordPerfect text processor and under the Arachne web browser for DOS, but IBM uses this code page number for a different encoding, CM, group 2 to 7-bit Latin SBCS, Japanese EUC JPGs Roman or Japan 7-bit Latin 00895, and the IANA does not recognize the number at all. The DOS code page switching file NECPINW, CPI for NEC PinWriters supported the Kameniki encoding under both, code page 867 and 895 as well. The widespread use of the Kameniki encoding was undermined neither by IBM's code page 852, nor by the Windows 3.1 introducing Microsoft Central Europe code page 1250. Only with Windows 95 and the spreading deployment of Microsoft Office did users begin to use code page 1250, which in turn is now obsoleted by Unicode. Character set. Each character is shown with its equivalent Unicode code point and its decimal code point. Only the second half of the table, code points 128 to 255, is shown, the first half, code points 0 to 127, being the same as ASCII and code page 437. Code points 129 to 130, 132, 142, 144, 147 to 148, 153 to 154, 160 to 163, 172, and 174 to 255 are identical to code page 437 as well. Differences from code page 437 have a gray border. Code points used for multiple purposes in code page 437 are shaded slightly darker. See also Mazovia encoding, similar code page for Polish. CWI2 encoding. Hardware code page. References